Hello, this is Ben at Fitness Beyond 50 Seniors, and today this is about sciatic pain. How do we deal with that sciatic nerve that gets compressed and causes numbness in our toes, sharp pains in our buttocks area, burning sensation, just super uncomfortable? How do we work on that, or how do we go day to day functioning with sciatic pain? So how we're going to do that is I have some things that I'm going to teach you, and there's going to be 4 different deals that we're going to go over in order to help you alleviate sciatic pain. The first thing that you're going to do is find a massage therapist that can help you with your sciatic pain. They're going to do assisted stretching, they are going to do heat treatments on you, they're going to do ice treatments on you, and they're going to do deep tissue massage. Get yourself deep tissue massage from a massage therapist. You will be surprised with how that will help alleviate your pain or possibly fix it. I have worked on numerous people with sciatic pain and have had a lot of success with doing deep tissue and doing those treatments on these particular patients or clients. I also automatically refer them to our second practitioner that can help them. Our professional is a chiropractor. Go to your massage therapist first so that they can loosen up the area and hopefully get that nerve relaxed, and then go see a chiropractor to do some alignments. Now, do not do excessive alignments, because if you do too many alignments, you can end up making the area worse than what it was before you started. Do enough to actually get the benefit. So, massage first, then chiropractor. Okay? Now, what are you going to do yourself when you're not working with these two professionals in order to help you with your sciatic pain? Well, here we go. You can go to CVS, you can go to Walgreens, and what I'd like for you to do is get you what they call a vinyl cushion, but in my world we call it donuts. Some of these are the type that you actually inflate with air. The second one is a harder version, as you can see. Now, I do recommend the harder version for your sciatic pain, and I will let you know why. First of all, the cushion one, you can puncture it, okay? The other part of it, it can lose air. So if you puncture it or it loses air, it's going to lose its effectiveness. Also, do not be vain. I have clients who won't take this to work or want to take it anywhere where anybody might see it, because God forbid they see. Now, the other things that these things will do for you is if you have hemorrhoid issues, these will help take the pressure off your hemorrhoids, so you're not having that discomfort during the day if you're sitting at a desk or something of that nature. However, I do prefer that you invest in getting the harder donut or the harder cushion, because therefore you're not going to have to worry about it being punctured or losing air. The other thing, now, why are these important? That's the question. Why are these cushions important if you have sciatic pain? Well, think about it. When you have sciatic pain, that sciatic nerve, whichever side is giving you the most problems, what happens is that your body becomes out of alignment, because you're going to also try to compensate for on the other side. So, sorry about that pause. You're going to try to compensate on the other side. So, what this cushion will do is it will keep your body in alignment so that you're not tilted one way or the other. When we have sciatic issue, or when you have sciatic pain, what tends to happen is if the sciatic pain is on your left side, which primarily that's where people tend to have it, but it can be on the right side too, is that you're going to be tilted when you're sitting, because you want to take that pain off of that particular area. Well, when you do that, you're actually making it worse. You're aggravating the area. So if we were to take the cushion donut and you place it on your chair, and I do prefer a more rigid chair when you do this, but of course if you're driving or something like that, you know, your seat's going to give a little bit. But when you sit on this cushion, it automatically balances you out. So you're not going to have one hip higher than the other. Because once one hip is higher than the other, that sciatic pain is going to drive you crazy. So don't forget, very, very important to even out your hips in order to take the pressure off of that sciatic nerve. Next, what you want to do as far as what you can do for yourself, preventive maintenance, because that's what this is all about, preventative maintenance, you working on yourself, is that you want to stretch every day when you have sciatic issues. Every day. You cannot take a break. Now, if you have a chair that you can put in front of you, or if you have a coffee table like this that's close by, you can just slide back, place your leg, the affected leg, on that table. Make sure there is an angle, okay? And then you're just going to slide both hands forward while bringing the toe towards you, and you will feel a stretch in that hamstring area. Now, you need to do this at least 3 to 5 times, holding it for a minute, okay? Now, if you don't have a coffee table, you can just move your leg to the floor and do the same exact thing. I actually recommend you do it in both places. But stretching out that hamstring, you're going to also feel a little bit of stretch in your calf. By keeping those two areas stretched out, it will take a lot of the pain and resistance off of that sciatic nerve. Because I always say when I work on my clients, your sciatic nerve is angry and we need to get it to calm down. So those are some of the ways to get it to calm down. So you have to use the cushion, do the stretching. Here's another way to stretch the sciatic nerve is if you still have a problem with your mobility or things of that nature, you can get yourself a towel or you can get yourself a resistance band and utilize that. And how do we do that? Okay, we're going to just take that towel, place it right on the ankle, or you can even go up to the calf if needed. Still flex the foot. Now, what I usually suggest, you can even sit back in your chair or on a couch and just lift that leg up by pulling on the towel. There you go. You have another way of stretching that hamstring. So this is about preventative maintenance. And then last but not least, use ice and use heat. Alternate between both of those. 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off. The road to helping alleviate sciatic pain can be a long, arduous journey. Believe me, I've had clients who I've worked on for 6 weeks, for 8 weeks. I've had some clients who I've worked on for a less period of time. It all depends. Do everything you can to not have to have any type of surgery done. I find that when surgery is done, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that it doesn't work. Many times as a senior, I mean, when you're really up there, 70 years old, things of that nature, anytime there's an invasive type of surgery, you open yourself up to other issues or other complications. So at all costs, do the uninvasive things first. So what are they? Find you a therapist that can do deep tissue massage, who will do heat treatments and ice treatments and stretch you out at the same time. From that, go to a chiropractor who can make adjustments, because it could be just a matter of an adjustment and you are good to go. From that, get your cushion. So if you're driving, if you're sitting, I'm sorry, if you're going out to dinner, don't be vain. You want to be in a lot of pain while you eat? Believe me, I will take that donut wherever I need to take it. And then do your stretches, followed by ice or heat treatments. If you follow these simple suggestions, you can help alleviate sciatic pain or be able to live with it without it taking over your life, because sciatic pain can do that. So seniors, what are you going to do? You're going to get up. You're going to get off the couch. You're going to keep moving. No excuses. This has been at Fitness Beyond 50, wishing you a great day. And as I wish you a great day, do not forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, the little box down there that says Fitness Beyond 50. Click on that, and also leave a comment, whether you like the video or you don't. Doesn't matter, because that's how we learn and that's how we grow. Talk to you later.